Okay, so this video is going to be on how to hand in and complete assignments. Um, I might get a few things wrong here, but bear with me. We'll work together and eventually get everybody on the same page. So there are two types of assignments, and one is going to be the assignment that you get on Google Classroom. Okay, and that's what I'm going to show you mostly. But before I do that, I want to show you assignments that will show up on PupilPath. So sometimes your teacher um, will have a quiz or a test. I definitely will do that, where you're going to take it online and you're going to see the score right away on PupilPath. So when that happens, you have to log into your PupilPath account. And let's say I told you to take the quiz on percents. So under math, you're going to find this heading here, like for example, quiz percents. So I think right here next to quiz and percent, there's a little circle over here. And let me just draw that. If I'm not mistaken, there's a little circle. When you look on PupilPath, there's going to be a little circle. So as you're moving your cursor, all I want you to do is sort of click here, and if it doesn't work, click somewhere in the quiz or the word actually the word quiz or the word percent somewhere. But I believe it's a circle. You quiz and percent quiz and that's you 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 click on that circle and a window will pop out, and you'll see the multiple choice questions, and you'll see your ABC choices, and you're gonna just click and work everything online. You can do your work on a sheet of paper on the side, um, have a calculator ready, and then just submit your answers. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so again, if there's something on PupilPath like a quiz or a test that you are definitely going to be taking with me at least, just look for math class, and then on the math class look for the heading, which for example quiz percents. Find it, click on it, and a new window will pop out with the actual quiz or test. Okay. Now, what happens when it's a Google Classroom assignment? And that's what I'm going to show you. Um, so I created a class, a fake class, and I called it 701. And let's pretend I'm a student in that class. So here it says that I have a percent test review. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. And this is what you as a student will be looking at. Okay, so over here, the teacher sent me three files actually. Let me show you the first file. So the first file is just like a bunch of questions, right? Which this you can download, you can print it out. It's up to you what you want to do, and you can work it on the side, right? So when it's something like this, okay, where you obviously can't write on it. What I'm going to ask you to do is to take a picture. So you're going to, and I'll show you. So you're going to do your work on a sheet of paper, wherever it is that you're doing, and you're going to take a picture, and you're going to upload it to your computer. Okay. Let me show you this one. Oh, this is another thing that I sent you, that I'm going to send you. So again, you can notice that I can't write on this. Again, you don't have to download this. You don't have to print it out. You can just work it off your computer. You can save it to your desktop or save it to a folder and just work your answers on a sheet of paper. Okay, make sure you do work your answers on a sheet of paper or somewhere, because you're going to take a picture of that and submit it. And I'm just going to take a look at it and give you credit for handing that in. Okay, so and we'll talk about that in a second. And the other thing is I sent an assignment that says, let's say it's an assignment where you can actually write your answers. So here are the two questions. One, do you like chocolate or vanilla? So you would come here and you would type in vanilla, for example. And then do you prefer dogs or cats? Dogs. So this is ready. I finished, right, the assignment. And once I finish the assignment, I can go over here and go to turn in. No, I'm not ready to turn in yet. Turn it in. Let me just click on Google Docs. Just see what. Yeah, okay. So it is saved. I go back. I'm not ready to turn in because remember I told you I want to take a picture, right? So you're gonna take a picture of your work, and I am just going to click over here, add or create. So you know what? I'm actually gonna pause the picture. No, add or create. So over here, I'm going to go click Add or Create, and I'm going to choose the file. In this case, I have to choose the picture, right? So I'm just going to choose anything in my classroom here, just to show you as a picture. So I chose that. I'm going to upload it, right? So now I have 4 files that I'm going to submit to turn it in. In actuality, the only file you can get rid of that one because the PDF file, you don't have to send it back to me. You can delete that one, that PDF file with all the questions. You don't have to send it to me. So the only thing you'll be sending back in this case would be a picture of, which is here, right? A picture of your work, and B, that file where you answered about vanilla chocolate and dogs or cats. So that would be ready to turn in, and you would click turn in, and done. And your, what do you call, your work is submitted. Okay, and then on my side, I would go to the classroom. I would see all your files, and I would see, for example, Mark. I would click on Mark, and I would see the 2 files that he submitted: the picture of his work, and B, that questionnaire, the 2-question work that he did, and then I would give credit for him. Okay, so hopefully this helps a little bit. Hopefully it wasn't too confusing, but I'll put this on the class website.